In 2026, YouTube Shorts presents significant monetization opportunities. Over 5 billion daily views drive creator earnings through emerging revenue streams like ad shares and the Shorts Fund. This allows creators to potentially earn up to $1 million monthly. Success depends on high engagement, under 60-second content optimized for search. Consistent uploads of 10 to 15 shorts weekly with a 10+% like-comment ratio are essential. We will explore the top 5 niches with the highest earning potential in 2026. The first lucrative niche for YouTube Shorts in 2026 is AI-enhanced tutorials and productivity hacks. This category leverages AI tools to produce efficient tutorials and productivity demonstrations. Integrated AI tools such as Google's Vertex AI and OpenAI's Sora allow for automated script generation and hyper-realistic video editing. These shorts often showcase zero-effort solutions, capitalizing on the trend of AI democratization. For example, creators demonstrate instant app prototyping using AI tools. Monetization occurs through affiliate links and tech sponsorships. Following the COP30 agreements, YouTube's algorithms now favor content that promotes carbon-neutral lifestyles, driving significant growth in eco-focused shorts. Post-COP30 agreements have led YouTube to prioritize eco-friendly content, boosting visibility for creators promoting sustainable practices. This niche focuses on actionable, eco-friendly content, such as upcycling tutorials and plant-based recipes that engage audiences with practical sustainability tips. Augmented reality overlays are popular for demonstrating before and after sustainability scenarios, making eco-innovations visually compelling. Monetization opportunities include partnerships with eco-friendly brands and access to YouTube's Green Creator Fund for verified sustainable content. Virtual reality and immersive experiences represent a cutting-edge niche in YouTube Shorts, driven by recent technological advancements. Advancements in virtual reality technology, such as Meta's Horizon Worlds and Apple's Vision Pro, have revolutionized content creation by providing platforms for fully immersive experiences. The niche specializes in offering 360-degree virtual reality tours of historical sites, natural landscapes, and fantastical environments, as well as interactive gaming experiences. The democratization of virtual reality content creation is facilitated by affordable VR headsets, allowing creators from diverse backgrounds to participate without requiring expensive equipment. The key to success in this niche lies in creating teleportation experiences, where viewers are virtually transported to different locations through the use of spatial audio and haptic feedback systems. Monetization in this niche is achieved through affiliate programs for VR applications and event-based sponsorships that promote virtual experiences and related technologies. Amid rising mental health awareness, this niche focuses on providing micro-meditations and anxiety-busting tips through YouTube Shorts, such as 10-second breathing exercises that help reduce anxiety and improve focus. Gratitude journaling encourages daily reflection on positive experiences, fostering resilience and well-being, including step-by-step guides for mindfulness meditation, such as finding a comfortable posture and focusing on breath. YouTube's wellness shorts incorporate features like mood tracking integrations, which boost viewer interaction and retention. Creators monetize through therapy app referrals and ethical partnerships with wellness brands. Emerging trends feature AI-driven personalized mental health prompts, with shorts in this niche showing 45% higher retention and top creators earning up to $1 million annually. Niche 5, Quick Finance and Crypto Insights. Capitalizing on crypto volatility and NFT trends, this niche offers real-time market analysis in under 60 seconds. Shorts dissect investing trends, DeFi tools, and budgeting hacks using animated charts and simplified explanations. Emphasizing risk disclosure and unbiased advice is crucial for credibility. Monetization stems from crypto exchange affiliates and educational partnerships. Key strategies for success in YouTube Shorts niches require consistent effort, optimization, and ethical practices. Regardless of the niche, creators must maintain consistent uploads of 10 to 15 high-quality shorts each week to build momentum and engage audiences regularly. Optimize shorts for search visibility by using specific, relevant tags rather than generic ones. Effective tags help YouTube's algorithm recommend your content to the right viewers. Target an engagement rate of at least 10% through likes and comments by creating content that resonates and encourages interaction. High engagement signals quality to the algorithm. Prioritize ethical content creation, authenticity, and genuine audience engagement. Build trust through transparent, valuable content that fosters real connections with viewers. Continuously monitor emerging technologies and platform algorithm changes. Use analytics to track performance and adapt strategies for sustained success in YouTube Shorts. By implementing these key strategies, creators can achieve lasting success in any YouTube Shorts niche. YouTube Shorts offers significant potential for creators in 2026. By focusing on these lucrative niches and implementing effective strategies, individuals can build successful and profitable channels. Consistent effort, innovation, and a commitment to providing valuable content are the keys to thriving in the dynamic world of short-form video.